when this candle close over here, we can simply say buyers. Okay, it is just a trap for people to buy in order to make them buyers, convert them into buying. There is a possibility only H1 will close like this. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Forexhunt Smart Money Engulfing Metrics, and this is me, Mr. Narcotic, completing the series in 25 lectures for the English audience. And this is most possibly the 8th lecture of Smart Money Engulfing Metrics, where we are aiming to making you a profitable and a constant trader by the end of 25 lectures. Okay, this lecture will take at least 1 month to complete everything, and by the end of March or mid of the next month, we will complete everything. Okay, in this lectures, what you will get is you will be able to mark your own zones, filtering your own zones, taking your own trades with confirmation, and you will understand where to take the confirmation and where not to take the confirmation. And the most important thing is the risk management and making you a self-reliable trader, because signal is not a good thing to make a profitable trader in Forex environment. Okay, so without wasting the time, let's go to our topic. This is a short video because we are not making videos lengthy. It will not make proper attention of the viewer. That's why we are focusing on the smaller videos and giving more examples, the perfect examples. And the thing that I'm asking from your side is that keep constantly supporting us, commenting your feedbacks in the comment section of the YouTube channel, so the YouTube algorithm understands that yes, this has the potential to make profitable traders. Okay, so if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and you can join our public community Forex Singularity there, and you will be able to make your own trades. And we will also share our analysis in the group. Just we will complete everything from these lectures. We will start taking live trades with you, and so that you can become self-reliable trader. Okay, not dependable trader, that's a fault. Okay, see, so this topic is about fake out and the breakout. So guys, simply like many times in the forex market, using the smart money engulfing trading or even the engulfing theory, people are not able to mark the proper sell fail and the buy fail. Okay, this video is not about marking the sell fail buy fail. This video is about taking which buy fail and which sell fail. Sometimes people see in the chart they have H1 engulfing sell fail, but in reality that sell fail is not the accurate sell fail because of the H4 time frame confluences, the daily time frame confluences, and that's why you get trapped in a fake out. So there is a minor difference, a thread line difference between two things, that is called breakout and the fake out. Breakout is something that is totally accurate, and the fake out is something that just traps the buyers when making a sell fail, and the vice versa. Okay, so let's understand it with the help of examples. So let's say we have taken some examples from this particular thing, and that's why I'm focusing it more here, because one perfect example can clear 100 of doubts from your mind. So that's why I'm keeping everything simple, not making complicated, showing another example for every trade. So that's why that's totally illogical. So simply taking the rectangle box and trying to mark this sell fail. Okay, so this sell fail formed when this H4 candle closed above the box. Okay, once this candle closed above this wick, so some people call it a break of a structure, some people call it a sell fail, and the engulfing traders, they know the accuracy, that's why they call it a sell fail. Okay, the basic sell fail. Okay, with constantly changing of the market, okay, dynamics, that's why we have to focus on simple things. Okay, so simply this is a sell fail. So guys, in some brokers you will see there is no sell in the historical data. So there is no such hard and fast rule for making the sell fail. You have to rely on 2 or 3 brokers. Simply you can take an accurate or an average data of 2 3 brokers. For example, you can take the Onda easy market, or if you are taking real market conditions, then you can use the Octa or the Exness charts for marking your trades. Okay, not trades, marking your zones, because you have to rely on 2 or 3 brokers. So I will suggest some brokers. So these were the names. Okay, Onda, Exness, and if you are using the real charts in your MT5 MT4, that's called Exness and Octa, you can use the real time chart brokers, because their candle closing is too much nearby of the sessions that market moves. Okay, for example, if it is a US session at 6:30 or 7:30, the candle of Octa and the Exness will close according to the H4 rule. Okay, there is no such rule, but we can say when H4 candle closes in Octa FX, volume enters the market. Same if H4 or H1 candle closes in Exness, volume comes into market, which simply means people are relying on these two brokers. Okay, so this was a very tricky question. Once you will start practicing, you will understand the confusion in marking the charts, and my focus is to make you good analyst. Okay, so simply when H4 kind of close here, now we can say this is the example which we need for sell fail. But in reality, some traders keep switching their time frames. For example, they marked it as a H1 first of all. So if we are marking the H1 first of all, so this was the cell getting failed. Okay, this was the cell getting failed. This was the cell which needs to be marked. So guys, simply when this candle close over here, we can simply say H1 sell fail happened. Now we can look for the buying entries. Even though the fact is that it started buying, but logically it was not a breakout. Breakout happened when H4 candle closed itself above the box. Then only it will be considered as a breakout, because H4 was having sell. First thing, before going in buy, market needs to close H4 candle above the sell. If only H1 is closing above the box, okay, and making it as a H1 sell fail, that will be considered as a fake out. I am writing it here. Fake out according to H1. It will trap buyers. Okay, it is just a trap for people to buy in order to make them buyers, convert them into buying, and it will not work every time until H4 gets closed above the box. So simply use the replay button, closing it here. So according to the H1, if you are just using the H1 time frame, this is a sell fail, and you will rely in the box to market come and let it play. Okay, so that's not the case. If you go to the H4 candle hasn't closed itself yet. Can you see? H4 candle hasn't closed itself yet. So if H4 candle hasn't closed, there is a possibility only H1 will close like this, keep dropping like this. So this is a case which can happen if only H1 candle closes above the box. It doesn't mean that if H4 sell gets failed, then you are ready to buy. No, it never works like this. You have to focus on some rules. Even if H4 closes, it can take your SL. That's not the point. But like taking totally wrong decision is the thing that you have to aim. Okay, so if H1 closes above the box and H4 is not closing above the box, the closing is very important. H4 must be a sell fail to take an entry on the H1 sell fail. But if only H1 sell fail happens, you cannot take trade on the basis of H1 sell fail. Inspect of the time H4 closes itself above the box. Okay, both time frames needs to close above the box H4, then you can take trades on H1 basis. But if only H1 closes above the sell fail, then you cannot take trade for the buy, because H1 is just for trapping the traders. Okay, I hope this knowledge is very important for you. Okay, you will not make mistakes on the basis of this fake out and the breakout. You have to you have to take some good decisions. Okay, and good decisions will be taken only on the basis of understanding. Before marking the zones, you have to understand where H4 is playing its role. Okay, if H4 closes, then we can say yes, now we can take the trade, because this blue candle close above box, and you have to rely on 2 or 3 brokers. Okay, before, because see, not there is no need to look into the H4 every time. You can just mark the H4 once, and then you can switch the time frames in your phones as well, and you can mark the zones. For example, M30 zones, M15 zones, M5 zones. Once H4 gets clear, you can shift to the smaller time frame to take your entries. I hope this video is very helpful for you. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section, because these are very short videos, and if you face very problems, then I will make one more video on the examples of breakout and the breakout. And this video literally very easy concept, but yes, this minor mistakes can make you a losing trader. So that's why I focused on making it a complete sequence of fake out and the breakout, and hope this is clear to you. Let me know in the comment section, and feedbacks will be appreciated. Share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you are new, and if you are a old viewer, like the video. Thank you so much, guys.